In this video, I'm going to show you how you can redeem a gift card on Steam. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. So if you have a gift card and you'd like to go ahead and redeem it on Steam, it is pretty simple. Just head over to your account on top here and then click on it and then click on account details. Now this will take you to your account details here, and then choose the first option, account details, and under it you'll be able to see store and purchase history. Under this, go ahead and click on add to fund to your Steam wallet, and from here, if you go to the right hand side under your Steam account, you should be able to see redeem a Steam gift card or wallet code. Currently, as you can see here, we have quite a number of different fund levels on your account. To redeem a gift card, go ahead and click on redeem a Steam gift card or wallet code. From now, go ahead and enter your code here. Once you have entered your code, click on continue to redeem it. If your code is correct or is valid, it will be redeemed automatically. So that's how you can redeem a gift card on Steam. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.